Hi, this is Jesse James. I'm the developer of Craftimizer. Today I'm going to take you through a walkthrough and show you the features of Craftimizer. So Craftimizer is a companion application to Final Fantasy XIV. It is used to simulate the crafting system within Final Fantasy XIV. On your first page you're going to have several different classes, and you'll need to input your stats and data for each class. Each one will provide you with a level, CP, control, and craftsmanship that you can adjust and customize to your heart's content. Next, we have the recipe list. The recipe list is going to contain every single recipe within Final Fantasy XIV at this date, and it will be updated regularly to ensure that those are always up to date and available. You can choose anything that you want. We're going to start off with an alchemist, and we'll just go with, let's just say rubber. So from here, you have your starting quality. You can input whatever. If you have high quality materials, you can input the amounts here. And then your max quality, your difficulty, and your level. You have an image here of what the synthesis will make, and then the crystals and materials that you'll need to make that. You go ahead and hit the simulator button up here, and it takes you to this screen where you're able to input whatever abilities that you want to use in the combination that you choose. So you can use a basic touch to increase your quality. And once your green bar here reaches up to the maximum level, that means that you've accomplished to get 100% quality. So if we go ahead and just do that, we see that it caps off at 615, and no matter how many more we add, it's not going to increase any. Our durability is the amount of actions that we can use until we can't use any more, and so what we'll want to do is delete that, so we have 10 left. And now if we come down, we can increase the, let's see if we can find it real quick. We can increase the durability by using manipulation, and we can also increase it by using Master's Mend here. So or Master's Mend too. So we'll use that, and so now we have back up to 40 durability, and that uses a certain amount of CP. Now, if you're skilled in the ways of crafting in Final Fantasy XIV, I expect that you'll probably know what each of these icons are. These icons simply have labels for those that don't know or are kind of new to the crafting field, so that they can look on their screen and just quickly glance and see what these abilities do. So from here, we'll want to increase the progress up to 100%. So now we can see that we can get a high quality item and successfully synthesize it with the remaining 199 CP and 30 durability with the stats that I have. So we can hit save, and it'll save our combination. We can come over to the saved combination screen and see that we have our rubber. Now when we go back into here, we can adjust and craft into whatever we want. We can delete or move things around. We can hit save. It'll ask us if we want to overwrite. We can say yes and come back over here, and we see that it shows back up with the updated combination. Now, if you're on an iPhone 4S or a smaller device, the combinations table will be much smaller, and that's natural because your screen is quite a bit, your resolution is a lot lower. So for that, what we're going to do is we're going to hit edit and maximize, and this is going to give you a much larger view of the combinations table so that you can actually adjust these. Now we can do several things with this. When we hit that edit button, we can go ahead and move this basic touch down here, and we can see that our durability drops down because we moved where the Master's Mend is. And this can be better seen with buffs like Great Strides, where we can't use it, and the reason why is because our progress is already at maximum. So we're going to go ahead and delete that and then use Great Strides. So we get our counter here for the amount of actions that we can use until Great Strides runs out. And if we move that, let's say up here, we see that it drops down to 2 because we have an action after Great Strides. But if we move that above basic touch, so you see the quality's at 354 right now, and we drop it, we immediately jump up to 492 with that Great Strides. So that's everything with the simulator. You'll learn as you kind of go along through the crafting system if you're new, and if you're not, then I hope that you enjoy the simulator. If you would like to remove the ads from the simulator and support me, you can click the remove ads and purchase the removal of those, and they'll always be removed for you. If you are returning after deleting Craftimizer, if you click this button again, it'll prompt you to remove the ads again, and you can click buy, and it'll automatically update and say, okay, well, you've already bought this, so you can just restore it instead. So thank you for watching, and have a great day.